7. 2025 BMW R12 9T. The 2025 BMW R12 9T is a sublime fusion of modern performance and timeless retro styling, designed to embody the heart and soul of BMW's heritage lineup. Powered by a 1,170cc Air, oil-cooled boxer twin engine, producing approximately 109 horsepower and 115 newton-meters of torque, the bike features a new single-piece tubular steel frame, classic round headlamp, sculpted aluminum tank, and wire-spoke wheels that hark back to the brand's iconic designs. While offering contemporary refinements, including LED lighting, ABS Pro, traction control, 3 riding modes, and keyless ride, it retains an uncluttered, purist roadster aesthetic. With a compact 16L fuel tank, nimble ergonomics, and extensive customization options, the R12 9T delivers an emotionally engaging ride, a modern sport retro motorcycle that is both homage and evolution.